We have been through a lot of wars together, and this blizzard is the one for the ages. Certainly it is the blizzard of the century. We have had snowplows, major snowplows, and rescue vehicles. I saw them myself in ditches buried in snow. So those circumstances are still difficult. We need to have the roads open to continue plowing and salting and removing all those vehicles. So the thruway will remain closed until further notice. And as much as we can see the skies right now, we know that the storm is coming back. We're expecting another 6 to 12 inches. And in the south towns, the southern part of Erie County, a little bit south of here, they had 30 to 40 inches of snow overnight. So anyone who declares victory and says it's over, it is way too early to say this is at its completion of, maybe the severity is downplaying now, and right now it's not as bad as it had been over the last couple of days, but it is still a dangerous situation to be out.